Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome, everybody. Today, I want to talk about an isolated incident. Some of y'all know I have a why your car stall and stop video out on YouTube that's doing pretty well, actually. I'm glad it's helping people out, giving you the knowledge if that's what you need as to why your car's stalling out. But on this particular case, this is my personal minivan. This is the van I use to do all my ride share work, you know, Uber and Lyft. So I'm gonna talk about this van exclusively. So it will not be included in the why your car stall out series, because this is an isolated incident. Now, I'll give you a little background. I was doing some Uber work last night. Today is Sunday. I was Ubering Saturday and went to pick up a passenger. I get a text that they'll be right out. So I turned the van off. And lo and behold, the van would not start back up. It would crank back up, but it wouldn't start. I automatically assumed or thought maybe I was out of gas, but I was not out of fuel. What was happening is my fuel pump wasn't running at all. Now, this is all easy for me to know, say, and do because, you know, I do this every day. So what do? Quickly run to the trunk, grab a piece of wire, and jump fuse that goes to the fuel pump and automatically get it to run. So I essentially have to leave that jumper wire on while I do this last ride, because naturally this is my last ride. Okay, so lo and behold, the next morning, which is now, I'm faced with a daunting task to make a decision. And the decision is simply, do I replace the Tipm or repair the Tipm? Because keep in mind, well, I can't say keep in mind because y'all may not know this. The fuel pump relay is built inside of the Tipm on the circuit board. There's no way to go in and get it out and replace it unless you disassemble the Tipm and do it that way, but that is hard. So your only other option is buy a new Tipm. Now, you know, if that's in your range of spending, then go for it. But I'd rather not go that option. And you have another option is to repair the Tipm. And what I mean by repair is simply you want to go inside. You don't even want to go inside because you can't get inside. So what you want to do is totally isolate that internal fuel pump relay and install an external fuel pump relay. Okay, there's a package that Chrysler make. This is the part number right here. I got this from the parts department at the dealership. It's going to include the relay that you need and the wiring harness that you need, to splice into the Tipm. Now, this job is not easy. Okay, if you're not electrical savvy or anything like that, I recommend you not do this. You simply take this to the dealership because, you know, it can get tricky and you could essentially tie into the wrong wire and cause more damage. So, but me, I'm a professional, so I will repair my own vehicle. Now, I have steered clear away of actually doing this video because of a conflict of interest, you know, with the workplace. You know, I don't want to essentially be, telling, it's not so much of a secret because I see these vans in aftermarket shops now, the Pep Boys, the Goodyear, the Firestorm. So if there are some do-it-yourself mechanics out there that want to do it themselves, I feel no harm, or I don't see nothing wrong with me making a video to show them how. And that's what I'm gonna do. Not on this video, because I'm probably up to 2.5 minutes right now. On another video, when I make the repair, I will film it and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about and how to repair this. There's a couple of parts you're gonna need. This, inline fuse harness, I put it right here, and a fuse. So again, what we're gonna do, the goal is to install an external fuel pump relay. What's going on is the internal fuel pump relay is shorting out, shorting circuit. The wiring to it is burning out, or I don't know, and it doesn't matter. I want it out of there, and I want it external to the Tipm, or spend $700-800 for a new Tipm. That's always an option. All right, so I don't want to keep this video long. I don't want to make it long, but that's where I am today on this particular repair. I'm at home in my garage in the comfort of my own home. I'm not pressed for time. I can take my time, do it right, film it and everything, and show it to my subscribers. All right, so there you have it. I will see y'all in the next video, and stay tuned for that video. Actually, comment, subscribe so you won't miss it either. All right, thanks for watching.